Beautiful day, and then welcome back to Elite Income channel. Today we are going to talk about another crypto airdrop mining project on Telegram. I always bring you exciting projects, so you go to Telegram and I'm going to bring you look for Elite Income channel. This is Elite Income channel here. I have posted all the links for you to click and then engage on those projects here. So go to the channel, and then when you go to the channel, you click on the channel. Today we are going to talk about another project, exciting project called Simple Tab. I'm going to tell you something about this Simple Tab. Simple Tab does not start today. They have been there as an exchange. So they are bringing this game to bring exposure to their project. They have been there for over 2 years and they have gathered enough user base. So I feel this is a very legit project. So get Simple Tap now. So when you go there, you join here, you see start farming Simple Coin today. Simple app makes it easy for you to dip your toe into the world of cryptocurrency. So it's an exchange. So you click on start. When you click on start, you click on start now. When you click on start now, the listing date of this project, I'm going to bring it for everybody. Now it's a boom, welcome to Simple Tap. How do you continue? You continue by inputting your email. Note that you have to get verified. You have to get verified. So you put your email there and then you've started. Now, this is how to go about it. You click on farm, start farm. When you click on this start farming, it will start counting down and counting down. So later on, you come back to claim the coin. That is farming. That is one way of gaining. That is one way of gaining it. Another way of having Simple Tap is by, have you seen this place? It said 100 tap. So I just tap, it was 100 tap. I just tap one, it will give me one of this coin. It's just like Sex IO, which they are going to be listed soon. I did a video is on this channel. Just check on Sex IO. You see Sex IO on there. So you keep tapping. As you are tapping, you are seeing the coin is reducing, and then you are getting the coin here. This is your coin balance. So you tap, it gets to 100. So when you get to 100, you have to just go away and then come back later, and this place will also be filled again to 100, and then you tap and get it. So you can also do some tasks. These are the tasks that are available. If you join their Telegram channel, you get 100 of the Simple Tap. If you follow their CEO, you see that it's not when you get to follow their CEO, you see that it's not people behind it are not your usual coin, or it's not a scam coin. That is why I take time to do a research before bringing you any project. Also do your research before you invest on any project. This is not a financial advice channel. We only do this for educational purposes in case you want to join any project. So you click on this Telegram. When you join their Telegram, you see today final day to make at least 5 referral and be in the run for 1 or 30 simple card worth $20. Have you seen? This coin will have so much value. If 30 simple card will give you $20, and then you can gather up to say 100,000 of these cards. That means 20 times 100 of the cards, or 200 of the cards. So as much as you can, and it will stop by 6 p.m. So follow their channel so that you get all this information they will be posting. Have you seen? ambassador level is 2000 slot, and then that is how it goes. So I will now go and do check. I have been given done. I have been given 100 tap swap. Sorry, I've been given 100 simple tap. See, I have 200 now. Remember, I was having 100. So I will go back to do another task. I'll click here. I'll click on go to go and perform the task. It will take me down here, and I will come back. I will click on check, and boom, I've gotten another one. So I'll keep on doing all these tasks. I'll keep on doing all these tasks and then get more of the coin. You can also, if you check now, if that task is done now, it will update to 300. Let me check. You check on their Instagram, you go, you join their Instagram. When you join their Instagram, you come back, you click on check, and then you get done, and then you go to there, you get another coin. See, you can boost is coming soon. Their boost is coming soon. So you can also invite your friends. If you invite 50 friends, you from your referral link, they will give you 10% from each of your friend that is farming. Remember, there are two things. This is farming. So this farming, you claim so much coin each time this time here elapse. So as your friends are also accumulating their coin, you get 10% from each of them. So that is why you should also refer people down to Simple Tap. So this is how Simple Tap is. So guys, follow the Elite Income channel on Telegram and see the link, and then you go to the Simple Tap and then you join and then get this coin. It's remaining 9 tasks available. This is referral I've already shown you. So guys, do it now. See, my coin is increasing. So gather as much as this coin as you can and wait for listing day. I have told you the aim is to get nothing less than $1,000 from each of these simple project by doing all these simple tasks. So guys, I always bring you updates, legit updates, well researched. Also do your research before you invest on anything. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. It will help the algorithm to push it to many people, and it will also help it be that when I post any video, you'll be the first person to see the video. So please guys, go and they have an app already too, if I didn't tell you. So go and follow, like, subscribe to my channel, and then comment on the comment section if you have any difficulty, and I'm going to get back to you as fast as I could. I reply to all comments, so make sure you comment whatever problem that you have. Thank you.